Hi everyone, I am going to share a recipe for the veggie macaroni. First of all I have boiled the macaroni. Now I am taking a lot of veggies like broccoli, capsicum, onion, tomatoes. You can add more veggies according to your choice. Saute all the vegetables. All the veggies must be semi-cooked. After that, add the macaroni which is already boiled. I have added some oil and salt during the boiling of macaroni. Now add them very well and add the spices according to your choice and your veggie macaroni is ready. Now you can enjoy your veggie macaroni. It is very healthy and very yummy snack. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is very healthy. Thanks for watching.